Thank you for calling TrueCorp. This is Caitlin. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Caitlin and I'm your True Selections Coordinator. In my position, I am your selections coordinator as well as the receptionist. As the selections coordinator, I help you pick out your tile or your cabinets, whatever's affected to the home, I help you find your replacements. I love when I get to meet the customer face to face and help them pick out things because that's kind of the last step of the process. It makes me feel rewarded to see the happiness and the relief of them seeing the end of the process. Working for True has benefited me by being in a family atmosphere and being able to come to a place of work that I enjoy every day. True is the most trusted company for homes because we are a family and we will treat you like family as well. My name is Caitlin and I'm your True Selections Coordinator.